If you don't catch this, you're gay. This is way heavier than it looks. So I'll pray on my downfall. Would you say this is average? Oh my god, I hate this shit! Boy. Get in the hole! Fuck! I hate it here. I hate this stuff. I should have gone to school. I don't want to be an independent woman anymore. I introduced you guys to my 993 and 996 mashup, and this is going to be the engine for it. 2JZ GE engine that will be going in my Porsche, and it will be in the front. So as you can see, we're in a really suitable placement here because I have decided to put my 2JZ GE non-VVTi engine in the front of my Porsche. Now I will be converting this to turbo, of course, but this is what I have to currently work with. So today, I'm gonna be tearing this down to number one, find out what's wrong with it, and number two, get it into a place where I can figure out what I'm gonna do to make this thing fast and cool. Okay, well, I'm ready to start the teardown on my 2JZ GE and make it so we can put the T in the GE. Let's get into it. So right now I am pulling the intake off because it's ugly. This one I'm just taking bolts off. Bang, 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 bang! Realistic video on how to dismantle a 2JZ. Hey, there's a bunch of sunflower seeds in here. Look at all these seeds. When I have my turbo wires off, I'm gonna take my turbo off and get this thing put aside. Yep. So if you haven't gathered at this point, this isn't really like a how-to video, so you might want to go find a different one. Oh, I haven't taken that bolt off, so I'm pulling for fucking nothing. Ah, we don't need those. These are just to let the alternator know to turn on. I took you really literally when you said cut everything. This is my favorite way to take stuff apart, is you just start taking stuff apart. In fact, you keep this kind of stuff in good condition because this is worth a lot. Sir, what the fuck? It's broken. It's broken.
What? 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 What?
What?
And twist it.
Bop it.
Pop it.
Bop, 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 bop.
What's going on?
Oh, it's really... Got my turbo off, so you can see that's what the inside of your turbo looks like. A lot of people don't actually know that. Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. What time is it? Wait, wrong way. Wait, wrong way. Okay. Gotti. I don't need that anyways. Yet again, another really good thing we can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Easy, literally so easy. This is the easiest turbo I've ever taken off. Hang on, all my tools will get her fucking tuned up. Yeah. Oh, I said to.
Send a bullet.
Yeah. If you don't catch this, you're gay. What did I say? Where's my calculations? That should fucking do her. This is way heavier than it looks. I have no idea what I'm doing, really. But honestly, this is easy. You just take a bunch of shit off, so.
You want me to crack it?
No.
You get it?
No. No, I'm gonna though, I'm gonna. Stop praying on my downfall.
I'm not.
I'm gonna fucking crack myself. I can
No,
feel
you're good.
it.
You're pushing down. Everything is gonna fling off and be on the ground.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Girl, this thing's trying me.
Oh wow, the wheel that this is on is cracked in half.
Oh.
The plastic wheel is literally split in half.
He is not kidding. That's not a circle anymore.
We don't put none back together around here, these parts. Fuck around and find out. Oh!
This is the teardown zone.
I went in there.
You gonna eat those?
Cole, being the little rat he was, just really sitting on top. He's fucking munching away.
Mm-hmm.
Yup, yup.
There's just still
I know you want to intervene and help me so bad. It's like killing you.
I'm like, just scared. Let me get in there. Let me help you. Let me fucking pop it up.
He's such a gentleman though. Like, you gotta give him that. He just like, anytime I struggle, he steps in. Man! Perfect! This is brand new right here. Look at that. Look at the fucking clogs. Look how corroded they are.
These cans actually don't look that bad.
No, I know. Dude. Holy fucking hell. See, this is where I'm gonna fucking rip myself in the face. The internet ain't gonna like this one.
I think got one camera.
This is average.
Yeah, on the ground's fine.
My American Idol's coming for us. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We bum bum away in the village to feast. Da, 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 da.
Oh yeah.
Size do you think this is?
Your mom. No. Good boy, Finn.
How are we feeling midway through this?
Dude, I'm done. I've got 2 really fat strip lines upstairs, and I want to be done. I know you want to be done too now. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Cole, is there any other fucking oh shit!
Getting it.
Got a lot of these now! Oh my fucking god, I hate this shit! I hate it here! I hate this stuff! I should have gone to school!
Well, school isn't gonna make the
No,
bolt
I should have
loose.
just like married rich or something! I mean...
Easy.
Pop, pop, pop! What? Just what? What do you want me to do different?
Get a little bit of Tribina.
Tribina, sure you can't even hold on to her.
Hey, it's easier if let me just give you a little technique for it.
No,
Just
no,
a little
I don't
technique.
need it.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm just a technique for you.
Yeah, being a man, that's the technique. Testosterone.
Go over here, put your foot there.
Don't, he's
and
just
then
trying to
have,
crack it.
And then have leverage.
Fuck you, bitch.
Okay, I'm gonna get some to make this a line. I'm gonna get you a big bar.
God damn! I hate this shit! Thanks. Get in the hole! Oh Whoa! It's super easy.
There is any.
Chocolate fountain. Oh, that's so easy. Oh, nothing there.
How are we feeling, Bean?
Exactly, Peter. Feel that. I could kill you right now.
Good job, Timmy. Good job, Chels.
You okay, Cole? You're working hard.
Oh, I know, man. My back's hurting.
Fuck off! Fuck you! Fuck you guys!
Mine, actually, you know what? Behind my knees, the inside of my knee.
Sorry.
Look, if anyone should be flinching, it's me.
I don't want to be an independent woman anymore.
That's no.
Dude!
Cool, why are always your tools always in such a mess? Why don't you put your tools away at the end of the day? This is a great bonding experience.
What?
I'm really enjoying this bonding experience.
I don't feel very bonded. I'm tired, I'm done, I'm not doing this. You want me to build that car worse than I want to build it. I'm literally gonna start swinging, you're pissing me off so bad, goddamn.
To be continued.
Okay, welcome back to take 478 of Chelsea taking apart her 2JZ. Let's see if we can get through today without having a mental breakdown.
I didn't say anything.
I wonder who caused that one. I don't know where we left off, but obviously these were cracked already, so let's just carry on with where we were.
Yeah. We got the peanut gallery over here.
There's my supporters.
Hey, what do you think?
Dude, this is crazy. And this is why I'm like, why do I have so much fucking pain the second day taking this piece of shit apart? I wonder why. Hammer on hammer action, little DP. Hey, it didn't hit the floor.
Last one.
I can't wait to be done this shot so I can clean up whoever did this.
Yeah. Final bolts.
Stinks. Yuck. Sorry, oh, took you really fucking right. Like this.
Go.
Thanks, man.
Very nice.
Well, I would say basically, pop a couple molds, throw that in there. Fuck, dude, we could literally be driving this thing like 2 days from now.
Oh, this is impressively good.
Yeah, well, it was clearly just a top end issue.
Yeah, just that one valve.
Yep. But this is why they were so fucking hard to get out.
Oh yeah, the
Fucking crusty. No wonder I couldn't
that
get them
outside
out.
edge is probably cleaned up now that you hammered them out.
Oh, it's good now.
Fucking-
Honestly, you could damn near call me a machinist at this point.
You are the machinist.
I know. Well, you know what? I think we're at the point where we can make a pretty nice fucking coffee table. So grab a spray bomb. This will look great. Call the glass guys.